Hello students, this is your first computer class that is based on the topic steps to start a computer. Okay, so we are going to learn about how to start the computer. This is your step 1. Okay, in step 1 we are going to turn on the main power button. And now we are going to learn about step 2. Now this is your step 2. Okay, in step 2 we are going to switch on the UPS. As you know, UPS its full form is uninterrupted power supply. Okay, when power is gone, our computer is turned on. How it is possible? By the help of UPS. This is a kind of battery. Okay, so in step 2 we are going to turn on our UPS. Okay, now we are going to learn about step 3. Now we are going to learn about step 3. This is your switch on the CPU. Okay, you know well what is CPU. CPU, its full form is Central Processing Unit. Okay, you know well this is the brain of computer. Then in step 3 we are going to turn on CPU. Okay, now we are going to learn about step 4. This is your step 4. You can see the picture on your screen, that is switching on the monitor. Okay, monitor, you know well this is the output device, and we can see all our output that is on monitor. So in step 4 we are going to turn on our monitor. This is your final step. Then your computer will be turned on. Okay. Okay, now we are going to recall all steps. In step 1, what we are going to do? That is switch on the main power button. Okay. In step 2, switch on the UPS. In step 3, switch on the CPU button. And in step 4, we are going to switch on the monitor. Okay. These are the 4 steps to start